What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be taking apart and cleaning the magazine to a Ruger LCP 380. So first thing we want to do is make sure it is clear and safe to work on. So right behind the magazine here, or the trigger here, is the magazine release. You press that, it causes the magazine to pop out. Okay, we'll set that aside. We'll also check to make sure there is nothing in the barrel. So to do that, this is your slide lock switch. When you pull the slide all the way back, you will push the slide lock up and it will lock it in place. So we'll do that. Now that you've got it locked, we can look down in the barrel there and make sure nothing is in it. So we're not going to need this for this video because we're doing the magazine. Tools you're going to need. You're going to need a punch or a small screwdriver or something to poke with. You'll want a clean brush. You want one that you're not using to clean your gun with because you don't want solvents or cleaners or anything to get on the magazine or ammunition itself. I use rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, the 91%. It'll clean and evaporate anything you need to. And then I've got a rag here to wipe stuff off as we go. Now, magazines get neglected. They need to be cleaned too. They get dropped, kicked, stepped on, whatever have you, and sometimes they cause issues. I know I've had issues with dirty magazines in the past, basically because I've been rolling around in the dirt or whatever. So to get started, you're going to look at the bottom, and right underneath here, you will see a button, and that's why I'm using a punch. You just push the button in and it will release the base plate of the spring from the base plate, and then you can kind of slide it forward and pull your punch out. Now keep your thumb over this while you're sliding the base plate off, otherwise this the spring is going to fling up at you. So there's the base plate, and you see we've got the spring, and this basically just kind of twists off to get the spring base off. Okay, and then you've got the follower. So we'll grab our isopropyl alcohol and we'll give it a quick little spray and go through and just scrub everything off. It's mostly just dirt and dust anyway. On the follower you'll see some of the carbon, you know, from it loading and firing, so you just brush it off. Give it a good wipe. And we'll set that aside. Let's move on to the spring base here. Give it a little squirt. We'll wipe that off. That's looking pretty good. The spring, I don't exactly scrub this. I just kind of follow the loop with the rag and just give it a good spin and twist through it. At least gets a good wipe off. Alright, the follower, you might end up seeing some residue, carbon. The alcohol will break it up. And just go through and scrub that real good. And we'll give that a wipe off. And the tube. You want to get up here real good by where the follower sits, because you're going to see some carbon build up. Alright, we'll give that a wipe off. And I'll poke the rag through just to make sure I get everything wiped out here. There we go. So now we're going to put it back together. We're not going to put any lubrication on this. We're using alcohol for a reason, so nothing wants to stick to it and keep it from jamming up when you're trying to use it. So we're going to grab our spring. You're going to see that one side looks like it's a little pinched more than the other. The side that looks a little more pinched is the side the follower goes on. Okay, and you want to keep it in the same orientation you've got going with the magazine. So take your magazine, take your follower, and it wants to match up with the grooves. This is the slide stop when you run empty, so that needs to be on the side, the front end. There we go. Drop that in, and then we can push the mag. Or well, let's snap the base on. It kind of snaps in. There's two little hooks here. I just kind of do the front hook and then snap the back on like that. It should be oriented so the rounded edge is to the front. So flat sides to the back, round sides to the front. Now we can take this spring, cram it on down in there, and you're going to hold it just like that. And then this has two little rails that are the guides for the sides of the magazine here. And while you're holding the base plate down to the spring, you want to slide it over and snap it back into place. The little button here should reset. If it doesn't, just kind of move it, and there you go. It is seated back where it should be sitting. So get this little wipe down. There you have it. We have just taken apart and cleaned. We didn't put any lubrication on it. A magazine to an LCP 380. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down in the comment section, and I will gladly help you out with anything you may need. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.